Those are Burdocks from Oliver's garden, and today we are going to make some meatballs out of them.
どこについてんのKai, wo sind denn die Dinger?
First of all, we have to shred the burdock, and we also had some minced chicken meat. We mixed them up. You can also add some like leek and spices, salt and pepper.
Burdock and chicken. Hackfleisch.
And well, first we tried to create those meatballs per hand, but it got too sticky. So in the end, we just used spoons to create them and throw them into the boiling water. After a while, you can remove the scum that's coming out of the meatballs. In the end, those meatballs should be swimming in clear soup. Adding some spices. I guess it's a soya sauce based sauce. In this case. And some white miso. You can, use anything that you actually like.
Ja, okay. Ich glaube eher.
Now another dish. We are frying thin sliced burdock in hot oil. And that's basically it. Once it's done, you just have to add salt and pepper, maybe garlic powder to it. We also made some pickled burdock in the miso soup.